Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to another video. As we have learned in our previous video the structure of the earth and lithosphere, and we just gone through the basic introduction. Today we will learn about the interior of the earth, and interior of the earth is divided into three parts, which is crust, mantle and core. So we will learn the crust first. The earth's outer surface is its crust, and we can say that the uppermost layer of the earth is called crust, a cold, thin, brittle outer shell made up of rock. The crust is very thin relative to the radius of the planet, and it is divided into the two parts, oceanic crust and continental crust. Oceanic crust is composed of magma that erupts on the sea floor to create basalt lava, which flows or cools deeper down to create the intrusive igneous rock gabbro. And continental crust is made up of many different types of igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. Oceanic and continental crust is basically the uppermost layer of our earth, and oceanic crust includes the water bodies present in our earth, and continental includes the plains and mountainous part of the earth. The layer which starts after crust is called mantle. It is made up of solid rock and it is hot. It is present in a molten form called magma. As the core heats the bottom layer of the mantle material, particles move more rapidly, decreasing its density and causing it to rise. हमारे पास जो मेंटल का पार्ट है ना, वो है सॉलिड रॉक एंड इट इज़ वेरी हॉट. और जब हम देखते हैं कि हम ज़मीन में से लावा फटता है, लावा जो है वो मोल्टन फॉर्म में फटता है, तो जो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि मेंटल बेशक एक सॉलिड रॉक है, लेकिन क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होती है, और गर्म किस वजह से होती है, कोर की वजह से, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो अर्थ का जो लावा हम कहते हैं ना, लावा फटता है, तो वो मेंटल की एक मॉल्टन स्टेट होती है, तो उसे हम कहते हैं मैग्मा. So here is a picture in which you can see that how crust and mantle is divided and subdivided. Oceanic crust, continental crust, then it comes upper and lower mantle. That's how Earth's look like from the inside. And after the mantle, the layer which comes is the core. The core is the mostly iron metal. The core makes up about 31% of the Earth. If Earth's core were not mantle, the planet would not have a magnetic field. Metals such as iron are magnetic, but rock, which makes up the mantle and crust, is not. The core is further divided into the outer and inner core. The outer core is liquid and the inner core is solid. It is also called as knife because it is made up of nickel and ferrous. Ferrous is called as iron. In this picture you can see that how core is divided in the inside part of the earth, and after that in this picture you can see that how lithosphere is divided in crust, mantle and core. The continental and oceanic crust, upper mantle, then lower mantle, and outer core, then inner core. Today I would like to stop my lecture here, so I hope it's all clear to you. If you have any query regarding this lecture, then feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you still not subscribe the channel, then what are you waiting for? Just do subscribe the channel. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.